welcome to this week's episode. If you haven't guessed it, we're on our way south. We're currently at Langebaan Harbour. This is not our final destination. We just thought last minute, let's pull in here and have a look, and it's open to the public to come and check it out. This is pretty epic. I didn't expect this place to be this massive. Let's have a look around. As you can see from the view around us, everything is pink. So I assume that's from the iron ore they're mining here. But we got ourselves a heritage juice and we are on our way more south. As you can see in this clip, we were blown away by the view. The views are absolutely amazing from up here. In the old house on this massive rock, you can learn about the history of the West Coast National Park and the marine protected area. The lagoon views at Kraalbaai and the Paternoster is absolutely amazing. It's so peaceful and quiet. The lukewarm water makes for the perfect, inexpensive family outing to just relax on the beach and float in the lagoon on a lilo. Guys, welcome to CA3 Studio Apartment in Langebaan. So this unit offers all the basic necessities you would need. On the kitchen side, everything is there. A nice table to enjoy your dinner, a couch to relax on. And on this side, there's a nice big, massive bed, covers to put your clothes on, but come check this massive bathroom. They do supply you with the basic needs to get your first fire going to have your braai. The best part about this place is the view. Come have a look. Isn't this just spectacular? Guys, just keep in mind for maybe the older crowd, if you have a disability or struggling with walking, when you park there in the parking area, you come down for CA3 and I think 2 or 4, the one next to it. There's quite a steep set of stairs you have to go down when you arrive. When you arrive, there is someone that is willing to help you with your bags. Well, there was one when we got here, so that might not be the big issue, but if you need to get yourself up and down, it is quite a steep set of stairs. And then you get the view. Good morning guys, so we're going on a little bit of a hike. You can see here behind me there's a little bit of a shipwreck there, and you can walk along the coastline. And then when you come to this side, you come to the complex marina here behind me. So you can see all the boats there, Skippy is walking there. And it seems like there's a few restaurants and then there's some activities. I can see a place where you can rent jet skis and whatnot, so you're gonna see what this is all about. Okay, so just to explain this to everybody, as far as we can see, it's divided into 2 sections. So the main section is Club Mykonos Resort, that's the section you see behind us, and we are staying in a separate gated community still inside called Paradise Beach. So they call this Club Mykonos Resort because it resembles Mykonos from Greece. All the houses, the architecture, all looks more or less the same. But so far it's a beautiful day. It's our first day without the wind blowing us away, so let's go explore. great entertainment for the whole family. At least Skippy is a cheap date. Anywhere we go, if you can just get an ice cream, she's happy. Cheers! It is so nice just to have a nice relaxed hike along the ocean. We're on our way back to the place we are staying at, and we're gonna go look for something for lunch. So the cool thing is, if you come back around the corner from your hike, then you are greeted with this amazing view, and I can see why they call it Paradise Beach. Just look at this. Good morning guys, unfortunately it's our departure morning, so I thought I'll just jump in here and give this place a rate. I would rate this place an 8.5 out of 10. There's definitely room for improvement on how you need to get the key to open up this place, but the view definitely makes up for it. But now we are on to our next destination that's completely different on any of the ones we've stayed at on our Cape Town trip. So let's head over there.